Electrify America will add NACS connectors to its chargers. Electrify America, one of the largest EV fast charging networks in North America, announced today that will add the North American charging standard NACS connectors at its stations in the United States and Canada. Electrify Canada, the company, established by Volkswagen Group, outlined a plan to add NACS plugs at its existing and future charging stations by 2025. As more and more EV manufacturers Ford, General Motors, Rivian, Volvo, and Polestar announced a switch from the combined charging system CCS1 to NACS in the region, the Tesla-developed NACS connector to become a tsla standard. At the same time, Electrify America will continue to provide the combined charging system CCS1 connector throughout its network as it transitions to also support automakers adding NACS charging ports. That's a significant announcement from a major charging network, which currently operates more than 850 stations. About 4,000 individual chargers rated at up to 150 or up to 350 kilowatts. Robert Barossa, President and CEO of Electrify America, said, "Since our founding, we have focused on building an inclusive and open hyper-fast charging network to facilitate the adoption of electric vehicles. We look forward to continuing to support industry-wide standards that increase vehicle interoperability and streamline public charging." Electrify America's announcement is coming a bit later than other charging networks like EVgo, ChargePoint, or Blink, which announced their decision a few weeks ago. As we understand, Electrify America might be more reluctant due to its connection to the Volkswagen Group, which had to evaluate options first. In our opinion, the addition of NACS plugs is a reasonable and inevitable decision for all charging networks in North America, simply because the majority of new electric cars in the region will be natively compatible with the NACS connector in a matter of 2 years or so. Charging networks must follow EV manufacturers and can't really afford to ignore the majority of EV customers. Considering what charger manufacturers are announcing, there will be plenty of dual-head CCS1 and NACS DC fast chargers and AC charging points to choose from. Electrify America noted also that is working with other industry partners. In addition to working with the Charging Interface Initiative, CHAR-IN, and tsla International, Electrify America is participating in the newly created National Charging Experience Consortium, ChargeX, which will focus on strengthening the national charging infrastructure and improving the EV ownership experience. Further details of the company's inclusion of the NACS connector to be announced along the way over the coming months. Source: reposted and summarized from Mark Kane at Inside EVS.